Cristal Project is funded by European Commission. It's a project about inland waterway. The title of the project, full title, is Climate Resilient and Environmentally Sustainable Transport Infrastructure with a special focus on inland waterway.
Our Cristal project has several goals. Main leg is the technology, which is provided by the French pilot and by the Italian case pilot. Our Polish case has also some technical elements, but observing the inland waterway market since many years at the Faculty of Economics, University of Gdańsk, our experience and knowledge is there is no transport function on Vistula River. Therefore, we have planned from the very beginning to perform several voyages on Vistula River in separate directions, using separate ports and carrying different cargos to evidence that transportation is possible. Even in very extreme situations where the main one is insufficient depth of water. We are currently on Vistula River in the port of Płock. In a few hours we will start to load scrap, which will be delivered from Płock to the port of Gdańsk for further transshipment in the export relation. With this trip and the next one, we will be able to show different conditions within only few days or few weeks, how the Vistula River is changing and changing the possibility to carry a given number of cargo at once by a barge. Already now we are experiencing the planet. Months ago, first trip, we have changed the barge for a push barge with 4 pontoons, and this is due to the changed conditions.
The smart river buoy will help balance transport by making better use of inland waterways, which is not an easy task due to the changing conditions on rivers. The buoy achieves this by providing key information essential for organizing inland transport, in real time directly to the companies and individuals coordinating that transport. It informs them about the actual parameters of the navigation route, such as the real bridge clearance, the real depth at specific locations where the buoys are placed, as well as the current speed and water temperature. Additionally, a very important feature is that it can identify the presence of a specific vessel at a given place and time. Thanks to this, ports and ship owners have the ability to plan and optimize all cargo handling operations very precisely, which leads to a significantly more sustainable use of the logistics network.
With all these 4 voyages, within 3 will be performed on Vistula River, we want to evidence that the inland waterway shipping is feasible also in such cases where the infrastructure, the very basic, like the river and sufficient depth is extreme situations, allowing or not allowing the passage by a barge. Therefore, after these voyages, we will also make seminar, roundtable discussion with all stakeholders included in the whole process, and to exchange our experience and to learn how to prepare and then to perform a specific voyage. Due to the current knowledge of the skipper, in the majority of the season, inland waterway transport is feasible. So we want to learn what is an obligatory element, what is a facultative element, how to combine all of these into one good condition performing as the inland waterway in practice. Our colleagues from France, from Italy, they are elaborating some infrastructure elements like fiber optic, acoustic measurements, some management of existing infrastructure, everything what is connected with the improvement of the current capacity. In addition, the project is also for our stakeholders, end users, and for the mainly forwarders. With these trips, we want to also evidence to the transportation market that the inland waterway should be also one of the alternative in planning for future supply chains, especially for bulk cargo and dry bulk cargo. For example, scrap or grain or fertilizers or any agriculture, other goods which are on a larger scale transported into the Polish hinterland or exported from Poland via Polish seaports. The connection between Mazovia region or Kujawsko-Pomorskie region to the port of Gdańsk is perfectly suited for inland navigation. Therefore, please consider also this mode of transport in future planning.
Cristal Project is co-created by 15 partners from 9 countries from Europe, but the main part of the project is 3 river pilots from France, Poland and Italy.